Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about the importance of pH in everyday life, and we are going to get the solution of some daily life problems by just changing the pH. Acid and bases neutralizes each other's effect, right? So by using this principle of neutralization we can solve many problems. First of all, we will talk about the how plants and animals are pH sensitive. All the living organisms can survive only in a narrow range of pH change. Even our body can work well between the pH 7 to 7.8. Like us, the animals which are living in water, they also can live in a narrow range of pH. Water is usually neutral, right? So it helps in surviving of different animals. But what will happen if this water become acidic? Due to mixing of some harmful gases with the rain, it decreases the pH of rain below 5.6, and it is called as acid rain. And when this acid rain flows in rivers and ponds, it makes the water so much acidic that it can kill the aquatic animals. So like human beings, the animals which are living in water, they also can survive in a narrow range of pH. Acid rain not only affect the animals which are living in water, but it can also kill the plants on the land. Soil plays very important role in the growth of plant, right? Plants can grow best when the pH of the soil is close to 7. But if the pH of the soil changes, it becomes acidic or more basic, then growth of plant become difficult. For example, if the soil become the acidic and have a pH value near to 4, then we can treat it with the using some bases. We can use calcium oxides, calcium hydroxide or calcium carbonate, which are we known as a base, and these bases neutralizes the acidic effect of soil and helps in growth of plants. Similarly, if the soil become very much basic and have the pH value up to 8.3, then we can treat the soil by adding the decaying organic matter. So by using the neutralization principle, we can make the soil suitable for the growth of plant. pH is very much important in our digestive system too. Our stomach produces HCl, which have pH value near to 1.4. It help in killing of bacteria, so it protects us from the diseases and helps in digestion of food. But sometimes due to indigestion or excess of HCl produces, which cause the pain and irritation. This is called acidity, or we can say it heartburn, because it causes the burning sensation near to the heart. So acidity is also known as heartburn. So to get the relief, we take the antacid tablets, which contain some bases and neutralizes the effect of acids. So again here we are using the principle of neutralization, where these bases present in antacid neutralizes the acid present in our stomach. We use antacid to treat the acidity. Antacid consists many mild bases. It could be magnesium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, or it can be sodium bicarbonate. So here is the general equation for the reaction between the stomach acid and antacid. Magnesium hydroxide is also known as milk of magnesia. So when it reacts with the acid, it makes the salt, that is magnesium chloride, and releases water. And in this way, it help us to get relief from the pain and irritation. Do you know why tooth decay occurs and what causes the cavities in our teeth? This is all because of change in pH in our mouth. Our mouth have a pH uh, near to the 7 because the pH of saliva is 7. But if the pH value decreases, it can cause the degradation of teeth, and it um, results in cavities. Now let's see how this happens. When we eat food, if we don't rinse our mouth with the water, the food particle remains in between the teeth, right? So there are many microorganisms, bacteria are present in our mouth. They feed upon this leftover food and produces the acids. These acids then lowers the pH of the mouth below than 5.5, and which cause eventually degradation of tooth. However, we can prevent this by brushing twice a day with the toothpaste. Here I must tell you, toothpaste are again the basic in nature, and they neutralizes the acid which is produced by the bacteria in our mouth. And other things which you can do to prevent the tooth decay is you need to rinse your mouth with water after every meal, and it's better if you avoid the excess of eating sweets. There are some animals and plants which uses the acidic chemicals for the defense mechanism. As you are very well known about the honeybee. Honeybee stings contains formic acid, or it is also known as methanoic acid. When it stings, it causes irritation and pain due to this acid. Similarly, ant bite can produce the formic acid. So to treat this, we can neutralize this acid with a base, and we can use a toothpaste or any other base like baking soda. There is a plant named as natal plant, and in Hindi we call it bichu booty, usually found in the hilly areas. They have the stinging hairs, and in this stinging hair they have formic acid, again the methanoic acid. So if it stings us, it can cause irritation and pain. As the stinging hair have acid, so we can neutralize it with the help of base. So we treat it with the help of base. Nature itself has provided us the remedy from this sting of natal plant. Near to the natal plant, another plant grows which is known as dog plant. This dog plant consists some basic chemicals which help to neutralize the effect of formic acid which is produced by natal plant. So in this way, dog plant neutralizes the effect of natal plant. So in this video we have learned that how changing in the pH can affect the life of animals and plants, and how using the neutralization principle we can solve many problems.